Alright, Dania, let's start, please. Start with the name of Allah.
بسم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Let's start.
الحق
Haq will be wrong. You can see it's an alif madda, and you can see there is a mad sign as well. And this mad is mad lazim. So you're gonna stretch it for 3 seconds. Let's start.
الحق الحق
Al-Haqqah.
الحق
Not ka, but qah. Qaf is heavy. Al-Haqqah.
الحق
Good job. Read it 2 more times.
الحق
MashaAllah. One more time again.
الحق
MashaAllah. Next.
ما الحق
Mal. Now the next part is same like the previous one. Look, they are same, right?
ما الحق
No, strike the ha, not the qaf.
ما الحق
Yes. Now when you connect ha with the qaf, make sure to do qalqala as well. And we're gonna pause on qaf. Read like this. Mal haqqah.
ما الحق
All right, it's better. Next.
وما أدراك ما الحق
No.
وما
Wama.
أدراك ما الحق
Can you stretch this calf? It has a zebra on the top.
وما أدراك ما الحق
Much better, mashallah. Next.
كذبت ثمود
كذبت. كذبت.
كذبت ثمود وعاد بالقارعة
Mashallah. Well done.
فأما no فأما no what
Yes, read.
فأما ثمود فأهلكوا بالطاغية
Okay, when you say yeah, it will be wrong. You have to say yeah. Yeah, without stretching. بالطاغية.
بالطاغية
Very good. Next.
وأما فأما عاد
عاد.
عاد فأهلكوا بريح صرصر عاتية
Good. Read صاد heavy. صاد.
صرصر عاتية
صار. صار.
صرصر
Good job. One more time.
صرصر عاتية
Perfect, mashallah. Very good done.